So, you did also mention that you can sing.
Definitely.
Would you sing for us?
Do you guys want me to sing though? No, I can't hear you. You guys want me to sing? Okay, okay. So, huh? Hey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me humble myself. Okay, so here goes nothing. Okay, so I'm not really used to this, but I'm just gonna like go with the flow. So I hope you guys are just gonna be supporting me. So this is me staying in the script, but using this British accent. Do you guys detect it? Mashallah. So, I'm sorry if I seem uninterested. No, I'm not listening. No, I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here. But since my friends are here, I just came to kick it. But really, I would rather be at home all by myself, not in this room with people who don't even care about my well-being. Don't dance, don't ask. I don't need a boyfriend. If you can go back, please enjoy your party. I'll be here somewhere in the corner on the couch of marijuana with this boy who's oddly knocking, hardly here. Oh, with this music I don't listen to, I ask myself, what am I doing here?
So, Darina, thank you so much. And you did mention you've been to Nigeria too.
Yes.
So would you change your accent to the Nigerian accent?
Guys, I'm my sister, you did want the wahala now. Hey!
All right.
Hey! Hey! Yes, sir.
So, since you sing, so I think probably you like songs?
Yes, definitely.
You like movies?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you a movie person or a song person?
I'm actually more of like a movie person.
But
more of a song person, to be exact.
What kind of movies do you like?
Movies. Oh my God, horror. People are just gonna hate me now.
All right.